In this video, I'll show you how to download NetMirror in Amazon Fire TV Stick step by step, even though it's not available on the official App Store. Just follow along and you'll have it running in a few minutes. First, make sure you're on the Fire TV home screen. Move to the search icon and select the search bar. Type in Downloader and open the Downloader app from the results. Click Get or Download and wait for it to finish installing. Once you see that it's ready to launch, don't open it just yet. Go back to the home screen and open Settings. From there, select My Fire TV, then go to About, highlight Fire TV Stick, and press the select button on your remote 7 times. You'll see a message confirming that developer options are enabled. Now press back, open developer options, select Install Unknown Apps, find Downloader, and turn it on. This allows your Fire TV Stick to download apps from outside the App Store. Now go back to the home screen and open the Downloader app. When it opens, select the URL bar to bring up the on-screen keyboard. Using the Downloader browser, go directly to netmirrorapplication.tv using the link provided and press Go. Once the page loads, select the Download button and wait for the APK file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, the installation screen will appear automatically. Select Install and wait a few seconds. After the app is installed, click Done. You can now find NetMirror by pressing the Apps button on your remote and scrolling to the bottom. If you want, you can move it to the front so it's easier to access. That's it. You've successfully learned how to download NetMirror in Amazon Fire TV Stick and can start using it right away. One quick recommendation before you start streaming or browsing content. Using a VPN is always a smart move for privacy and security. I personally recommend NordVPN because it works smoothly on Fire TV Stick, keeps your connection private, and helps protect your data while using apps like this. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN.